Ka DKMS BMST Foundation India ringkat ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kila penlong da jingalang pensengotho ya kinong shong halor ka jingdon kam ban mi shakmat ban iakhun ya ka jingpang cancer haka snam. Ya ka jingalang la penlong hapo ka conference hall jong ka school ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM haka shipho trik nailur ban penslor ya kisamla ban penrong kerteng ban long ki stem cell donor ne kinong Iasnohkti. U Patrick Paul CEO ka DKMS BMST Foundation India ula pentep baka ni ka jingpang ka kanray bha ha ki khana samla ha ka ba man ka san minute andon bet wei nong shong jong kari India banyo ya ka jingpang bampong ha ka snam ki ba jutip kum ka thalassemia ora plastic anemia ki ba jukmi lenti banyo jingkot tanglada kiyo ya ka jinga dei be ki kenja snam lingba kita ki rishiman ki ba kloy ban asenyang lani kita ki potential stem cell donors. La pentep ru bah North East ka DKMS BMST kalayo ban register kumbahan riu hajar kinong senyang ni ki potential stem cell donors ha ka ba khatsan spa ki dei ki ba nakajalla Assam but shispa nyopo nakajalla Meghalaya.
And blood disorder like thalassemia, plastic anemia, give them a second chance at life. And I mean there is a difference between the communication we do with regards to why people should register as a stem cell donor and the sir mentioned about umbilical cord collecting stem cell. There's a difference because we cater to a different kind of stem cell which will help, eventually become blood cell, which will help the blood cancer and blood disorder patients. We have been registering people, doing awareness in different parts of the country since 2019. Here in India, but globally we started in 1991. But from 2019 to 2024, in last 5 years, we have registered only 140,000 potential donors. It looks like it's not a huge number, but if you want to make a change, there's a lot of mindset change and everything required because people are not aware about this, the whole subject. That while you are alive, you can actually save somebody's life. And our objective is to talk about this. There's a lot of myths and misconception also regarding this. So we as a donor recruitment team or Minerva's team from marketing and communication, we try to actually break those myths and misconceptions.
Is collected and infused to a patient. Now this is not that simple as it seems because there is something called as an HLA that needs to be matched. Now, just like a blood transfusion where blood groups have to be matched, for stem cell transplantation, HLA, which is human leukocyte antigen, it is actually a protein marker of your immune system and it is unique to every single individual. Now, this has to be matched to the patient and the donor. Now, 30% of the time, you will find a match within your family. For example, if I am a patient and I need a stem cell transplant, there is a 30% chance that I will find somebody within my family whose HLA and mine is matching. But for the rest, 70%, you still need a matching donor. And this happens, there is a chance that 1 in a million, somewhere in this world, there is a person whose HLA is a 10 by 10 match to you. Now, the question is, how do we find this person? And that is where organizations like DKMS come into picture, where we are making a huge repository of potential donors who can in future donate their stem cells to a patient, to a HLA matched patient.
Girl who was daily suffering from this disease. So I got a call after 1 year that you have been found a match for a girl. So I felt very fortunate that I got a chance to give someone a second chance at life and really give a hope to their parents and all that they can complete the family and continue the life journey of the child. So yeah, it was a quite happy moment for me. And after that, DKMS BMST provided me the all clarity and transparency that how the procedure will become and all. and it was great experience for me being a donor.
So digitally, what we are trying to do is we run a lot of campaigns, and these campaigns we run, some of them are with influencers, like some known faces, like I think you would have seen Sonu Sood, so some influencers, because what we have realized is the youth, the youth, they listen to these influencers more than me or anybody else talking. When these influencers support the cause, we've seen a lot of people coming forward and registering. So that's something that we do. Other thing is we also ask these donors like Gautam and like Shantel mentioned, so far in India we have 140 donors who have actually donated. But see, world over DKMS, there are over 1 lakh people who have actually given second chances at life. So these donors become our ambassadors. So they talk about the cause, and if the moment, like Shantel mentioned, the moment we have more and more donors from Meghalaya or from the Northeast, we will be asking them to become our ambassadors. So they can then communicate in their language or in their perspective to motivate more people to register. So digitally we run campaigns. So we social media is one of our very powerful tool through which we run campaigns. We talk about the cause, especially the myths, because people come with a lot of myths. Some of them say, what if I'll lose my hair if I will donate, or some will say that what if I become infertile if I donate my stem cells. So they have a lot of doubts, they have a lot of myths, and we have to keep educating people about, no, this is nothing happens, you're not losing anything.